everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail last night when I came home from work, so I thought I would share it all with you. So as you know, Boxy is a $21 a month subscription, and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It can be makeup or skincare, hair care, anything like that. Never samples. You may get a deluxe size sample, but never the little itty bitty samples like you get in the Ipsy bag. So let me get out my knife and open this girl up. Alright. Put this away before I hurt myself. There we go. Alrighty. So here's what I got. I'm going to open her up. I'll do it over here. I do know some of the products that are supposed to be in here, as there was a picture on Instagram from the lovely Kim Kardashian. Anyway, and she showed one variation of this box, so I am hoping that I get the same variation she did, so I can say I'm like the Kardashians for once. Anyway. So, you open it up, it looks like this. It has a nice little pamphlet right here. Let me put the box down. And so far, I can tell... Here, let me show you what it looks like inside. I'm going to have to redo this. It looks like that. And it looks like I got the variation that I wanted. So, you get a pamphlet. It does tell you everything that's in the box. Here's this month's theme. Goal digger, meaning it's goal, not gold digger. It's about people that want to dig in and make those goals and finish out the year strong. And then it gives you a list of all the products that are in your box. And on the back, it does talk about the Boxy Luxe, which I am super excited. I cannot wait for December. I am getting that box. And I know a couple items in that box. I'm so looking forward to that box. Anyway, so I've got my little pamphlet here, and let's get started. Let's crank this girl open. First item I see in here is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. Here's the box looks like. Let me get her open. And these, basically, you can use them on your eyelids, on your face, with your moisturizer, with your foundation. Here's what the shade looks like. It looks a little dark for me, so I may only be using one drop at a time. So what does this say? These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact, reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Well, maybe I'll use it on my body too. But let's open the girl up and see. And get a couple drops here. Set this down. Oh, joy. Boom. Alright, let's see what we got. It's really shiny. I don't think... Ooh, and it's really reflective. Can you see that? I see purples, pinks, blues. You can't really see that on my video. Kind of like that. Let me put this on right here. And that's not working because you can't see it. But anyway, I like this. I can actually see me getting away with, considering what season we're falling into. It's the holidays, and you're going to be going to all those work parties and holiday parties. This will be good to put on my body so I can shine like the star I am. That's really pretty. Moving on, the next item I see in here is from Luxie. It's the 4 Luxie brushes. Let me wipe this glitter off my fingers. Got my wipes down here on the floor. Anyway, the next item I see, as I said, is the 4 Luxie brushes. Let me see if I can get this. Of course I can't get this open. Let me use my scissors that I have right here. I love Luxie brushes. They're really good quality. They last a really long time. And these are really pretty. These are the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. So what does it tell me about these brushes? Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. So these are exclusively for Boxycharm. You can't get them anywhere else. The Luxie 141 round, which one is that? Round brush is perfect for smudging smoked out your lower lash line, while the Luxie 121 tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid, and the Luxie 133 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone and precisely place color onto your crease. This retails for $21. Oh, those drops are $44. I mean, these 4 brushes basically pay for the box itself. But can you see these brushes? Look at them glitter. I seem to see a trend with this box. Everything is like glittery or shiny or gives some type of thing like that. So this is really nice. I'll be linking a couple of Gabby's videos. She did a video using these 4 brushes doing an eye look, and she also did a video with the Cover FX drop showing the different places and ways you can use that on your body. I'll post those down below in the comments. Yes, these, like I said, I love Luxie brushes. These are really soft and really comfortable. So I will be using these. Sometimes I think I'll give my sister some stuff, but anyway, I digress. Next item I see is by Farah brushes. Be beautiful, be you. I like that slogan. Be beautiful, be you. Everybody needs to be themselves and be who they are. It's tweezers. I've been looking for some. This is really good tweezers too. What does it say? Farah Galaxy Gold tweezers. These dual-ended tweezers are created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This unique patented design is made with surgical stainless steel. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, while the pointed side teases. I'm thinking about hair right now because I need to go and get my hair done. Tweezes away even the finest of hairs, and this is valued at $12. And again, of course, I can't get these things out. Let me get my scissors. So let's see. Alright. I still can't get them out. I cut them out of here and I still can't. Oh, there we go. Ooh, these are really pretty. I like these. That's really cool. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention when it said dual-ended. It's definitely a dual-ended. You got the flat end over here and then the pointy end over here, and they're a little on the sharp side, so you need to be careful with them. But this is a really good quality. I do have a cheaper pair that I bought. They're not cheap, but I bought from Revlon. They work, but they're really small, and maybe I'll take those to work and keep these here for the better jobs. And then the last, there's one more item in here. Next item is this Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. I've seen spray cleaners before. e.l.f. makes a really good spray cleaner. This one, let's see, what does it say about this one? Cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. Retails for $12. Yes, you do need to disinfect and you need to clean your brushes. I don't clean mine nearly as often as I probably should. considering my extensive collection right now. But I have a lot of dirty brushes, so that cleaner will come in handy. Let's see. And the last item is this lovely palette, which I knew was in here, which looks like this. It's the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. Let's get, okay, I can't get her out of the box. She's stuck. Ugh. Alright, come on, girl. Get out. There we go. There we go. Alright, there's what she looks like. We open her up. It does come with the protective film. You can keep that and make sure this is really pretty. Here's all the colors. It doesn't come with a mirror, but you know, that's okay. I don't always need a mirror. I've got other mirrors. I like the colors on here. There's a few matte shades and there's a few shiny shimmery shades, if you can see that in here. But let's swatch from top to, let's see, we'll go like this. Ooh, these are really nice and creamy. They feel very, very soft. Look at the color. We'll go right here. I will swatch them on my hand. That one didn't go very good. Let's try again. Can't see. There we go. A little bit better. Go over them twice. Well, there's a color. This first one, this jasmine, I'm sure on your eye maybe it will be a little bit darker. We'll see how that turns out. And patchouli, I don't think that's how you say that. I love this rose shade. It's really bright red. See, there's a color on my fingers. And then I'm going to put them right here. I don't know what it is about these two on the side. They're very light. I don't see them on my skin. But I really do like the color on the other ones. Let's see if I can build them up maybe. Maybe that's, I don't know. Maybe they'll look better on my eyes. So we'll see. I'll test them out and I'll let you know what I think in a later video. Comment down below what you think of this box. Are we Boxy twins? Are we, did you get the same products as me, or did you get a different box than me? Just let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the box as a whole. I really like this box. This is the variation I wanted. When I saw Kim's picture, it's everything that she had in her box. The variants were, you could either get the tweezers, or what was the other items? Either the tweezers, the cleaner. The variant was the cleaner was something else and the tweezers was something else. There was lashes supposed to be in this box. I don't wear a lot of lashes. My sister can attest to this. I don't like the false fake eyelashes look. So anyway, I'm gonna get off now. I hope y'all are having a great day. Please let me know what you think of the videos that I'm doing. If there's anything else you want to know or you want me to try out or test out, please let me know. Alright, I hope y'all are having a great day. I gotta go get me some lunch and go out a little bit later. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.